Don't throw away the eggshells. Try this amazing trick that few people know. Today, I will show you a trick that will leave you speechless, and you'll never discard eggshells after cooking again. But that's not all. I'll also share another great trick to repel ants, mosquitoes, and cockroaches. Pay close attention because the good stuff starts now. Welcome to Jennifer's Tips. Subscribe to our channel and activate notifications to be the first to receive our tips. First, let me show you how to make a homemade repellent. I have a large onion here, but you can use any type of onion. Peel the skin off the onion completely. Do the same with a head of garlic. Once you've peeled a good amount of onion and garlic, take them to the stove and place them in a pan over medium heat. Add 200 milliliters of water, mix, and let the shells release their substances for about 5 minutes. Remove the mixture using a strainer and pour the juice into a medium-sized container. Add 2 tablespoons of liquid soap and mix. Then, add 3 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol, 70% concentration or any other percentage you have. Carefully pour the mixture into a spray atomizer. Apply it in areas where insects and pests are known to pass, and they will leave forever upon contact. Now let's move on to today's special tip. I have some eggshells here that I've just used at home and don't want to waste. Once you learn what I'm about to show you, you'll never throw them away again. Wash the eggshells thoroughly. Then, in a blender, add 500 milliliters of water and the eggshells. Blend them together. I always send greetings at the end of the videos. So let me know which city you're watching from so I can send you a special greeting in our next videos. Add a grated soap paste and blend again. You may notice some foam, but that's normal. Let it rest for 2 minutes, and the foam will disappear completely. Next, add 3 tablespoons of white sugar and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. The baking soda is essential as it gives consistency to the mixture. Let me know if you have any tips or tricks you'd like us to feature on the channel. I'm always reading your suggestions. Transfer the prepared mixture to a plastic container. It should maintain the same consistency. Cover it and let it harden slightly for 40 minutes. After the time has passed, I'm here at the sink to test how well this trick works. The mixture we prepared is suitable for shining any pot in your kitchen, regardless of whether it's dirty or burned. It also works for cleaning stovetop burners, bathroom tiles, or wiping down the refrigerator. This multi-purpose cleaner and degreaser is made quickly and with few ingredients. Which of these 2 tricks did you find the most interesting? If you found them helpful, please share them with someone who might benefit from them. Today's greeting goes out to Lady Daw from Kentucky and Robin McGee from Pennsylvania. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like more tips, please leave a comment below saying, "I want more tips." Your feedback helps me improve. Try these tricks at home and come back to let me know how they turned out. Here's today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to be the first to receive our tips.